images. This is your image consultant Khushboo Karnawat. Wish you all a very happy, very prosperous, very loving New Year 2018. I hope we get a little more wiser and a lot more happier. So I have planned a very interesting 6-video series about my review 2018. I am going to be reviewing one of the best products in the world and tell you about whether they're worth the hype or not. Whether we should invest that much amount of money in those products or not. I am going to tell you how they look on us, which is the Indian skin tone, how much do they stay and how they are going to be. The honest review, basically telling you whether to buy them or not. Now today I am going to be reviewing one of the most talked about brands in the world. It's called Patmcgrath. Let me tell you a little bit about the brand. It is named after its creator, Patmcgrath, and she is called the mother of makeup in Hollywood. She's called the mother because she has created such revolutionary products in makeup that it can make any makeup geek go crazy. And today, I am going to be reviewing Patmcgrath Lust 004 Everything Kit. Now, this is one of the most talked about lipsticks because she used this lipstick for one of the Versace's new launches, and this is a lipstick kit. It includes 6 lipsticks, 4 glitters and 1 vinyl gloss. Now it's a set of 11 and they are those glittery shiny lips that we can only dream of. We don't see anything like this in India, so I had to import it from America. Let me tell you, the Lust 004 kit costed me around $150. That's for $140 plus $8 of taxes and shipping. So approximately $150, which comes out to be again approximately 10,500 rupees. Now I think it's too much for a lipstick, but we are getting a lot of things in it, so it's not too expensive, but they are called world's best lipstick. So let's find out whether it's worth the hype or not, whether they stay strong on us or not, or how they look on us. So what are we waiting for? Let's dig into the Patmcgrath Lust 004 kit and find out whether it is yay or nay. So let's begin. So let's unpack it and see what the secret is all about. Let's do it. If you ever order it and whenever you open it, make sure you have a plate or a tray for it, so these things don't get here and there. So it has got 6 lipsticks, 4 glitters. This is the vinyl gloss. So these are the 11 items that I was talking about. They come with these beautiful sitaras and they just make everything look dreamy and not real. Now we are going to start with our 6 lipsticks first and then going to put glitter over it. If you remember, there was a very talked about look of Sonam Kapoor. Now she tried the Lust 004 and I'm going to put her picture also here. So let's see whether I can go to that level or not. To start with, I am going to put my concealer over to my lips so that the color comes out to be exact. And I'm not going to use any lip liner, anything extra other than the lipsticks. I'm starting with the Blood 01 lip color and let's see how it looks on us. Did you see the swipe? It's just one swipe and it's all pigmented and over your lips. So this is the first lip shade and it's Blood 01. It's the ultimate dreamy red that all Indian women want. Well, let me tell you, I was impressed with the single swipe pigment. I mean, I just had one swipe and it was all over my lips. So I didn't need to use the second swipe to make it darker. So that is a big thumbs up. So I have got these 4 glitter bottles. They are very fine, highly pigmented glitters. I am using Blood microfine glitter over these lips. So let me press these glitters over my lips and see how they turn out. It's easier than it looks. They're not very glittery. The glitter is very subtle, but it's certainly and definitely something different. I'm again going to put concealer and get back with another shade. Well, it's not that bad. So this is another color and it's called a blood 2. So this is how it looks. I've never tried such dark colors in me, but I think I should try it. It looks nice. I like how it looks on me. So now I have used Flesh 1, and this is a completely nude color. You will not even realize that I've put it. I'm putting a second coat of this lipstick. I feel it's concealing my lips better than concealer. So this is Flesh 1. This is not for Indian skin tone, but it is definitely great for creating a base for your lips so that whenever you put another lipstick, it just comes out well. I'm not putting it off. I'm putting another shade on it so that we can see how it conceals. So now I am using a Flesh 2, okay, and let's see how nude it is. So it's a little darker than the Flesh 1, but why it is good? It is good when you want to create an ombre look. So I'm going to create an ombre look and going to show you how it looks with this lip color. So using this nude color to my ombre lips. So I am putting the glitter, the orange glitter on my lips on the ombre shade. This is the look, and well, I just love it. This is a look that you can carry to any Christmas party or New Year party, or use it as a lip tattoo and not as a lipstick. So this is not a very regular look, but it is definitely something that you love to create. This is not very subtle one, and it is quite fancy, so you cannot use it everywhere, but definitely with a great cocktail gown or something, why not? So concealer again. So now it's time for Venom 1 and Venom 2. So these are more of red and brown colors. So this is Venom 1, Venom 2. Again, the formula is very smooth. This is more like a ruby woo, but a ruby woo is little drier. This is very soft, smooth, and very nourishing. So I think they've put some moisturizer or something, so it's moisturizing your lips. So I like that part. Now I am going to try the Venom glitter. What I'm doing is I'm taking out a little bit of plastic, if you can see, not pulling it off. Instead, I'm taking out a little bit of plastic and then tapping it on the lid so that I get the product. Now I've realized that using the vinyl gloss is not a great idea with the glitter because it just makes the glitter more subtle. Now if you want to see the glitter, I have to directly press it on the lips. Again, taking my finger, and let me tell you, this is the look that was tried by Sonam Kapoor. Can you see that? It's beautiful. I hope I'm clear. I am so happy with this one. Time for the last lipstick to try, and then there's a surprise look after the sixth lipstick. So keep watching. Okay, so it's a dark, a brownish color, and see how it swipes. A perfect lipstick, indeed. It's more like a brown color, and this again is a doable color. You can carry it every day. So as promised you earlier, there is a surprise look. Now this golden pigment from Pat McGrath. Now I am going to create a golden look, a golden lip, like a completely golden lip. Well, I know it is not going to suit us because for Indian skin tone, I think that gets too goldish, but I am going to try it because it is something that I cannot miss on. So this is a pigment, this is not a glitter, and I'm going to put it on my lips as just golden. I am going to take the vinyl gloss and mix it on the lid. I need the best wishes, okay? The oh so famous golden look. So it's like a foil look. So this is how the golden pigment looks on my lips, and it just seems as if you put on a golden foil. And yeah, but not for the Indian skin tone, but definitely a very very extremely fancy golden pigment, and I am sure it is going to look great on my eyes, and we are going to do eye makeup with these as well. So guys, this is it for Pat McGrath. Let me get back with my normal color. So guys, this is the wrap up for Pat McGrath Lust 004 review. Do let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, what you want me to do, and what do you think about the idea about the review. So this is completely honest, non-paid, no partnership, nothing, and these are my views. If you ask me, Pat McGrath is a big thumbs up because the formula is lovely, the smoothness and the finish. It gives you a satin finish which don't generally get in the matte color. So the finish is flawless, and I love the way that they stay. So even you can make so many different looks out of it using your golden or your glitters, your 6 different shades, the ombre shade, and just mix and match and play with colors. This is your art, and I look forward to meet you in the next review. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Okay, and it's not that transferable.